Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button for me, smash it, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, today let's talk about affiliate marketing. Okay, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing real quick. What is it? What does it take to be successful with it? Very simple. Okay, doesn't take a whole lot, but it does take consistency. Okay, so we'll talk about that, and then I'm going to show you proof of one of the people that joined me, okay, in IPS, the copy paste method. By the way, go check the link in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. She got her first sale with the system last night. I'm super excited for her. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Okay, I kind of made some notes for myself so that I don't forget anything. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products or services, guys. There's hundreds, probably even thousands of affiliate programs out there from your favorite retailers. Believe it or not, you can go to their websites right now, like Walmart, Best Buy. Most companies have some form of affiliate marketing program, okay? A referral program basically is what it's called. Well, people will refer other people to the products or services and they make a commission, okay? You're assigned an affiliate link and you're able to earn commissions every time someone goes to your website, whatever link any company assigns you. When someone goes to that page and make a purchase, you're paid a commission. Okay, and those commissions can range anywhere from 3% to 100%. Okay, just depends on the company and the way they have it set up. Most of the programs that I join are 100% commissions or very close to it. And I love digital products. I love to promote those, and services. I love to promote those as well. So what I like about affiliate marketing, that's why it's easy and simple for the newbie to get started, is you don't have to create the products, guys. You don't have to create the website. You don't have to do the selling. No products to ship because it's digital. Okay, it's instant access. No customer service issues, because if someone has a question or issue with something, all they're going to do is contact support of that company. And most companies have a support team via chat on their website, or you email them, okay, and they take care of all that. Okay, so it's a one-time investment for my top 3 programs, because I want to go over those real quick. One-time investment, no monthly fees with these that we're going to talk about. All right, so your job, since you don't have to sell, you know why you don't have to sell? Because they give you a website that you're sending people to, and they have a video on them, on that website. Every one of these programs I'm talking about, they have a website, which is your website, coded to you. When people go there, there is a video that explains the program. So you're not going to be on 3-way calls and any of that stuff, okay? The typical programs that you may run across, the MLM, the network marketing programs. You don't have to get a sponsor on the phone and do a 3-way call and edify anybody and do any of that stuff, okay? So you don't have to worry about explaining it. Your job is to promote the offer. That's your job. That's what we do. We promote the offer over and over and over, okay? And your job is to get traffic to that assigned link. That's your job. So we do this over and over and over. It's promoting, okay? That is the key, and never quit and never giving up. If you look and you just go do your research, don't take my word for it. Thousands of people are doing this. 18-year-olds, 20-year-olds, 21-year-olds, okay? So it's nothing hard. You don't have to have any experience. You must have a smartphone or a smart device, a Wi-Fi connection. That's what you need, and be able to pretty much copy and paste and be consistent with it, all right? So let's get into this. Now, real quick, I'm going to go over these, but you're going to be able to go to the links in the description. I put all 3 of these in the description of this video, so go check it out. But my top 3 affiliate programs that offer digital marketing training that pays 100% commission are, number 1, Exodus Elite. I say that one because it's high ticket. If you're a person that already know off the top, hey, I want to make $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions, and $1,000 commissions, and $2,000 commissions, $1,000, and $2,000. This is the program for you. It pays 4 ways. Go check it out. Get all the details. www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay? That's high ticket. Now, if you're a person that says, hey, I see people making money using social media. They're not even doing paid advertising. This is free marketing. I want to learn how to do Instagram. I want to learn how to do TikTok, YouTube, Craigslist. The number one system I'm going to recommend out of all those that's easy breezy is the copypastemethod.com, www.thecopypastemethod.com, because it's centered around how to promote using social media. Okay? That would be the one. If you say, hey, I'm not interested in social media, I don't want any parts of that, but I may be interested in Craigslist, go check that out as well. But if you're not interested in that either, and you just say, hey, I want a system that's all in one box, give me the capture page, include the capture page, include the autoresponder, everything I need under one umbrella, then MAP would be the system for you, www.besteasyworkincome.com. It pays $247 commissions over and over and over. Everything is included, okay? Far as marketing system, email series, all that. All you got to do is run traffic. Now, the copy-paste method, the one that I'm talking about, is the social media training. You're able to make $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and $300 commissions. All these pay instantly. As soon as someone goes to your website, makes the payment, you're paid instantly any way you want. That's what I love about these programs, okay? So those are my top 3. The links are in the description, okay? Now, what are you going to need to be successful? Okay, now that you got your training, that's the other thing. They offer the training. That's what you're getting. You must generate leads, guys. Leads. Okay, that's the first and foremost thing. I know everybody's got on their mind sales, sales, sales. Sales, sales, sales. But guess what? Leads. The leads is what initiates the sales. Getting interested people to look at your offer. Okay, and when they go through your marketing system, that's why you need a marketing system. Okay, you must have a marketing system and an email follow-up series, so that way the system can automatically follow up with your folks, sending email reminders out to them, sending them back to your sales page. Okay, and then you want to follow up with the ones that are interested. Just a simple email or text will suffice, and we'll include that in the training. Okay. So these are the programs that I am going to promote, okay, because they make sense, and everything is not for everybody. You know, I have people that say, hey, I don't want nothing to do with social media. Not a problem. You got option 1 or option 3. Okay, so we've got something for everybody here. Now, as you can see, this is one image. I do a lot of posting of images. I made this image. If you want an image made, the company gives you one with the copy-paste method. IPS, they give you plenty images, so you don't have to worry about that. But this is one that I made. So if you're interested in me making some images for you when you join, get in touch with me. We'll get that for you as well. All right, guys. So let me show you, though. I'm going to go to the website of the one that I'm speaking of that's social media friendly. And let me show you what those 3 products are real quick. Okay, here's the 3 products right here, guys. $50, $150, or $300. If you get the $300, that's $325. You get everything. Okay, and you're able to make $300 commissions. You're getting step-by-step training here. Let me tell you, I have been getting so many leads from this new marketing strategy. It's unbelievable. Let me tell you, and that's coming from the training. I'm a pro level. Everybody that joins me in a pro level will get a 200-click solo ad. Okay, so that's a bonus I'm giving you. Not to mention one-on-one support you're gonna get from me. Okay. Now, real quick, I'm gonna go to our Facebook proof group and show you one of the people that joined me She made her first sale last night. I'm super excited, super proud of her. Congratulations to her. So let's go check it out where she posted it in the group, guys. This is testimony, okay, that this stuff works. Okay, I'm in our Facebook group here. As you can see, we got 4,000 members. It's the proof group. All right, Robin Jordan, congratulations. She says right here, wow, I received my first commission tonight. She got the $50 commissions. So someone purchased the starter kit, okay? So, and let me show you, is you're like, well, hey, how do I know it's her that joined you? Let me show you the email where she joined me. Hang on. Okay, if you look right here, that's the same name. See how she spells it? $50. She joined me in October. See right here? She joined me. She purchased the $50 package, okay? So as you can see, that's the same person right here, okay? So congratulations, Robin, for getting your first sale. This stuff works, guys, if you apply the strategies we give you in the training. It's spelled out for you, no stone unturned. Okay, I had a glitch with the system. So if you're ready to start learning, okay, so you're going to learn. That's what you're here to do. Learn the $300 a day blueprint on how to post these pre-written ads on social media. I look forward to working with you. The link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, so go check it out. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, be safe out there. I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.